Ever pondered the art of winning a girl's heart? The secret lies not in grand gestures or extravagant gifts, but in the way you approach, communicate, and impress her. So, sit back and delve into this step-by-step guide on mastering this art. Step 1. Make the first move. You see her across the room. Your heart skips a beat, but what next? The first move is always the hardest, but the trick is to be confident, not cocky. Approach her with a friendly smile, and remember the golden rule: respect her space. Step 2. Master the art of conversation. Words are powerful tools, so use them wisely. Start with small talk about the weather or the latest movie. Listen more than you speak. Show genuine interest in what she's saying. Remember, a good conversation is like a tennis match. The ball should be in both courts equally. Step 3. Find common ground. Shared interests are a great way to bond. Maybe it's a love for Italian cuisine or a passion for hiking. Discovering these commonalities can lead to deeper, more meaningful conversations. Step 4. Be authentic. There's no point in pretending to be someone you're not. Girls appreciate authenticity and honesty, so show her the real you with all your quirks and idiosyncrasies. Step 5. Impress her subtly. This doesn't mean showing off your wealth or skills. Instead, impress her with your kindness, your wit, your intelligence. Small gestures like remembering her favorite book or offering to carry her heavy bag can speak volumes. Step 6. Be patient. Building a relationship takes time, and rushing things can do more harm than good. So, give her the time she needs to get comfortable with you. And lastly, Step 7. Express your feelings. Once you feel a strong connection, it's time to let her know how you feel. Be direct but gentle. And remember, it's okay if she doesn't feel the same way. In summary, the journey to winning a girl's heart starts with a confident approach, followed by engaging conversations and finding common interests. Authenticity is key, along with subtle gestures to impress her. Patience is a virtue in this process, and when the time is right, expressing your feelings completes the journey. Remember, every girl is different, and these steps are just a guide. The most important thing is to respect her, listen to her, and treat her as an equal. Because in the end, it's not just about making a girlfriend, it's about building a strong, meaningful connection.